Hi friends! Today I bring you a new binary trading strategy. This strategy is a little different from the previous ones. Remember that in the description I leave the link of the two platforms that I use, which are IQ option and Pocket option. Okay, to begin, we will use the following indicators. Awesome oscillator. Slow period 34 fast period 5. This is an indicator that shows us the strength of a trend. Parabolic SAR. Acceleration step 0.04, acceleration max 0.2, yellow color. Other parabolic SAR, acceleration step 0.02, acceleration max 0.2, light blue color. This indicator shows us possible trend turns or possible continuations. Buy. What we have to look for is situations in which both parabolic SARs go in the same direction, separating without overlapping a little. Both must go up to be able to make a buy. At the same time, there must be a crossing of the awesome oscillator. In this case, as we are talking about a buy, the awesome oscillator must go from being below to being above the line. Before continuing, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to see all my new strategies. Sell. Here, what we have to look for is situations in which both parabolic SARs go in the same direction, separating without overlapping a little. They must go downwards. At the same time, there must be a crossing of the awesome oscillator. That is, it must go from being above the line to being below it. One tip is, do the operation if the two parabolic SARs are far apart. If they are very close together, I don't recommend doing any operations. The expiration time that we will use is 1 minute or less, and the candles will be 15 seconds. Let's apply the strategy. Buy. First, I set the expiration time to 1 minute. As you can see, the awesome oscillator went from being below the line to being above it. Just in case, I waited for the indicator to make 3 bars, thus confirming that it will continue to rise. At the same time, the two parabolic SARs were going in the same direction without overlapping, which is what we were looking for. The further apart the parabolic SARs are, the better. As you can see, the operation was won. Now, let's apply the strategy in a sell. In this case, the awesome oscillator was already below the line a while ago, which takes away a bit of the effectiveness of the strategy. It's better if it's just crossed from top to bottom. The two parabolic stars began to separate, and at that time I performed the operation. I recommend practicing the strategy in a demo account several times before applying it in a real account, in order to have more practice. It was a one trade, but if the awesome oscillator had gone from top to bottom at that moment, it would have been better, since in this way the indicator would show more strength in the downtrend. My final tips are: when the awesome oscillator crosses to the other side, wait for it to make at least one bar. The longer the awesome oscillator bars, the stronger the trend they indicate. Therefore, safer is the operation. The further apart the parabolic stars are, the better. I'm trading in OTC, so the strategy works well in OTC, but I recommend that you try it in the normal market because it will work better for you. Well friends, tell me how this strategy worked for you, and here I leave you more videos of binary options strategies.